Hello guys, so as of now we are left with just one problem in our HackerRank SQL easy level playlist, and I promise you if any more videos get added in HackerRank I will be updating this playlist so that you guys stay consistent in learning and moving your way into the data domain for a successful career ahead. So let's solve this. So it has been told, given the city and country table, query the name of all the continents and their respective average population rounded down to the nearest integer. Okay. So here we will start. Select what it has been told, given the city and query the names of all the continents. So we have to select country dot continent and their respected average city pollution. Now to finding the average, we have to use the average keyword over the population. The population is in city table, so over city dot population, cool. And now we have to write our where clauses, like we have to reference from those two tables where we are fetching. So our tables will be country. Now we will use the join keyword to join it on city. We will use the on keyword to give our joining clauses, and the joining clauses are city dot country code equal to country dot code. Instead of and, we have to write equals to, and the business, and that's it. So let's run the code. Okay, so it is saying it is a very generic error which you will fetch, which you will face lot in your query. So in aggregate query without group by, so see, country dot continent will return me multiple continent, like it will be Asia, Australia, Europe, all this kind of continents will be there, but average city will return only one value. So what is being asked to us, we are asked to find out, like Asia, the value is like something, then again Europe, the value is like something, then again Australia, the value is like something. But in our query what we are doing, we are getting this Asia, Europe, Australia, but we are getting a single value for all this, all the averages. So it breaks the concept of a SQL data structure. So to solve this, what we need to do, we need to add a group by clause. So if I have already explained group by clause in lot details in our previous video, and you can check it from there. So we are using group by on, and it is a general concept, like if we are selecting n number of columns and it is having suppose we are selecting n number of columns, okay, and we are using aggregate functions on m number of columns, agg functions on on m number of calls. So what we'll do, we will group by on all the m number of columns. So this is the concept. So here n is 1 and m is 1. So we need to group by on one clause. And what is the one cause here? That is country dot continent. Now group by country dot continent. And another thing is that it has been written rounded down to two integers. So we know how to round it. We'll use the round keyword without any second parameter, and it will eliminate all the decimal part. So now if we run this, we will get the output. And it is showing wrong. Why it is that? And their respective average city population rounded down to nearest integer. Okay, it has been told rounded down to nearest integer. What is wrong here? So we might use a floor here. Floor. Okay, so here the keywords was rounded down. So if we just use the round keyword, it will straight away eliminate the decimal part. But if we use the floor keyword, it will try to round it up to its lowest integer. I have already explained the difference between round, floor and ceil in any one of the previous videos in the playlist. Feel free to check those and you will get a clear idea about all these things like the difference between round, floor and ceil. So with this, as of now, our HackerRank simple and easy SQL solution playlist is complete. And now we will move to the difficulty level intermediate of the HackerRank SQL playlist. So bye guys, subscribe to get videos on our second playlist.